given 2 points which is in the coordinate form, polar coordinates form, 3, 180 degrees, and square root of 3, negative 30 degrees. So take note, we are finding the distance. And then we cannot use the distance formula directly without converting each point into rectangular coordinates. So ibig sabihin, kailangan pa natin yung x, y coordinates, no? So iisa-isa natin yan i-convert. So for the point 3, 180 degrees, so same formula sa kanilang problem, x is equal to r cosine theta. So ang r natin ay 3 tapos cosine 180. So cosine 180, dito yan, diba? So ang cosine natin ay negative 1. So 3 times negative 1, so that is negative 3. So for the y value naman, we have the formula r sine theta. So 3 sine 180, so that is equal to 3 times 0. Kay 180 kasi na 0, so sine value. So that is equal to 0. So ibig sabihin, this coordinates is equivalent to the rectangular coordinates negative 3, 0. So for the second point naman na square root of 3 and negative 30 degrees. So square root of 3 cosine negative 30 degrees. Always remember, class, that cosine negative 30 is not the same with the expression negative cosine 30. Kasi itong sa first, ang ibig sabihin negative yung angle. Pero dito, ang negative mismo na yung value. Okay? So, negative 30 degrees, anong quadrant ba yan? In the fourth quadrant. Kasi po, negative yung angle natin. So, negative 30 degrees. Tama? So, in fourth quadrant, I have positive cosine. Tapos, ang sine ko naman ay negative. Ibig sabihin, ang sine cosine negative 30 is positive. So, see, it doesn't mean na kung negative yung angle mo ay magiging negative rin yung result. It depends on the quadrant. Okay? So, cosine negative 30, that is square root of 3 over 2. Positive po yan kasi nasa 4th quadrant. So, multiplying these two, so I have 3 over 2. Right? Okay, kasi square root of 3 times square root of 3, that will be 3. Tapos over 2. So, for the y value naman, so I have square root of 3 sine negative 30 degrees. So, ang sine value natin sa 4th quadrant is negative. So, ibig sabihin, square root of 3 negative sine 30 tano na 1/2. So, that is equal to negative square root of 3 over 2. Since we already have the rectangular coordinates of each point, so we can now use the distance formula. Okay, so negative 3, 0 for the first point. And then I have 3 over 2 naman for the second point. So I can now use the distance formula. So distance formula, yan yung first topic natin. X, direct ko na. This is my x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and then y sub 2. Okay? So square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So I have 3 over 2 minus x sub 1 ako na negative 3. So minus negative 3, that will be positive 3. Right? And then last, y sub 2, I have negative square root of 3 over 2 minus 0, quantity squared. Okay? So that is equal to, how to simplify this one, how to add this one, I have to get the LCD, which is 2. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 1 times 3, that is 3. Understood na may 1 dito. So 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 3, that is Since si 0 that is the additive identity element, so pag binawas mo siya sa number, hindi mag-iiba yung number. So I have plus negative square root of 3 over 2 quantity squared. Okay? So simplifying this one, 3 plus 6, I have 9 over 2 quantity squared. Plus, take note sa negative, pag i-multiply ko yan ng dalawang beses, magiging positive yan. And then, these two as exponent na kailangan kong i-distribute sa numerator and denominator. That is from the laws of exponents. So, kung cancel na nan, muli po 3, 2 squared that is 4. So, that is equal to 9 squared that is 81. Tapos, 2 squared that is 4 plus 3 over 4. So, since I have similar denominators, so I can directly add the numerators. So, 81 plus 3 that is 84 over 4. So, obviously, this is divisible by 4. So, which gives us 21. Square root of 21. So, this is the final answer. Hindi na yan ma-simplify because ang factor lang nito is 1 na 7 times 3. In these two factors na walang